Oh, hi my lovelies. Thank you for being here. If you're new to my page, my name is Jen and I teach cooking classes. So today we are going to make chocolate mousse. If you like to celebrate Valentine's Day and you want to make something nice and yummy and really sweet, not overly sweet, but just enough to take care of those sweet tooth, you know what I mean? This is the dessert for you. It's very few ingredients. It's only chocolate chips and heavy cream. And then we're gonna make whipped cream to top our chocolate mousse and a little bit of chocolate shavings. And I am going to show you how to make that nice curl on your chocolate shavings. So let's go ahead and start. We're gonna have to heat up our heavy cream, add it to the chocolate chips so it will melt, and then we'll gradually add the whipped cream. So let's go ahead and start. I heat up the cream for about a minute and then add it to the bowl with the chocolate chips, and then just keep stirring until it's all incorporated and the chocolate chips melted and it's smooth. For the whipped cream, just mix the cream until it's foamy, and then in the middle of mixing until after maybe 2 or 3 minutes you add the sugar, and then you keep mixing until it's stiff, until it's that stiff peak. Now fill a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag and just fit it with a star tip and then fill the bag, and that's what we're gonna use to pipe the whipped cream on top of the mousse. Half of the whipped cream, we're gonna fold it into the chocolate and keep mixing until everything is all incorporated. I fill the Ziploc bag with the chocolate mixture, and then I have these 4 small shot glasses, and then I fill that with the chocolate mousse. Okay, so now we're done with the chocolate mousse. It really set really nice, and I am going to pipe the, we reserved some of those whipped cream, so we're gonna pipe it on top. Okay, just like so. You just pop it like that. Pipe the whipped cream like that on top. Isn't that pretty? And then we're gonna make some chocolate shavings. It's just chocolate bar and a good old vegetable peeler. That's all you need. And when you are shaving, you kind of do the you shave it towards you so you have that nice curl of your chocolate. So here, let's go ahead and do the chocolate shavings here on top. See how nice I got those curls. Here you go. Okay, my lovelies, let's go ahead and try this chocolate mousse. So I have some that I put on my ramekins here, and then I have that pipe the whipped cream on top and some chocolate shavings. So I'm really excited to try this. So let's go ahead. I want some of those whipped cream and the mousse. Here you go. Yum. It's so smooth and the chocolate is lovely, and I can taste that really nice, you know, the combination of that cream and a little bit of powdered sugar. so the sweetness is not overpowering, and it's just basically smooth and a really nice chocolate mousse. So my lovelies, if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share these videos, and all my recipes, you can find them on my website, leanvellaskitchen.com. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.